Hello everyone and welcome back to Jurgen English Channel, the place where learning English is easy and super fun. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. Hi everyone, it's wonderful to have you here with us today.
Alex, you look happy. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. And you look excited too.
Yes. Today we have a super useful topic for all our beginner friends. We are going to talk about my day, our daily routine.
That's right. You will learn simple verbs to describe everything from morning until night. This is perfect for school, work, or chatting with friends.
But first, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends who are learning English. It really helps us a lot.
Thank you. Okay, Mia, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's start with the morning. Alex, what do you usually do in the morning?
Well, the first thing I do is wake up. I usually wake up around 6:30. I'm an early bird.
Wow, 6:30. I usually wake up at 7. After I wake up, I get out of bed. Get out of bed is a very important phrase.
Yes. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Brush my teeth, wash my face.
Me too. After that, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. What do you eat for breakfast, Alex?
I usually have tea and cereal. Sometimes I eat eggs and toast. What about you?
I often have coffee and toast with banana or apple. Coffee and toast is simple but delicious.
Nice. After breakfast, I get dressed. Get dressed means I put on my clothes. Then I put on my shoes and maybe a jacket.
Exactly. Then I leave the house and go to work. Leave the house. Go to work.
Now, let me tell you my full morning. I wake up at 6:30, get out of bed, go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, wash my face, make tea, eat cereal, get dressed, put on shoes, leave the house, and go to the office.
That is a great morning routine. We used many important verbs. Wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, wash face, make breakfast, have breakfast, get dressed, put on shoes, leave the house, go to work.
Let's move to daytime. What do you do at work, Mia?
At work, I sit at my desk and work on my computer. I answer emails and write reports. Sometimes I have meetings with my colleagues.
Very good. Sit at my desk, work on my computer, answer emails, write reports, have meetings.
What about you, Alex? Especially when you work from home.
When I work from home, I also sit at my desk. I write articles, prepare English lessons, and have online meetings. Around 12:30, I have lunch.
Have lunch. What do you usually eat?
I often have a sandwich or a healthy salad, something light. After lunch, I go back to work until the end of the day.
After work, what do you do?
I usually go home. Go home. That feels so good. When I get home, I sometimes relax on the sofa and watch TV.
Relax on the sofa. Watch TV. That sounds nice. I also cook dinner. I like to cook pasta or try new recipes.
Delicious? After dinner, I wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Then I read a book or talk to my family and friends.
In the evening, I sometimes go for a walk. Go for a walk. Or I listen to music. Relaxing music is my favourite.
Before bed, I brush my teeth again and go to bed. I usually go to bed around 10:30 or 11 o'clock.
I go to bed a bit later, around 11:30. Now let's review all the verbs together.
Morning, wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, wash face, make breakfast, get dressed, put on shoes, leave the house, go to work. Daytime, sit at desk, work on computer, answer emails, write reports, have meetings, have lunch. Evening, go home, relax, watch TV, cook dinner, wash dishes, read a book, talk to family, go for a walk, listen to music, brush teeth, go to bed.
Wow! That is a fantastic list. Now let's practice short versions for real life.
At school, you can say, in the morning, I wake up at 7, eat breakfast, and go to school.
At a new job, I usually wake up at 6:30, go to the office, and work on my computer.
With friends, after work, I go home, cook dinner, and watch TV.
You don't need to say everything. Just choose 4 to 5 sentences that fit the situation.
Now it's your turn. Go to the comments and write about your day. Example, I wake up at 7. I eat toast and coffee. I go to school. In the evening, I watch TV.
We will read and reply to as many comments as possible. It will be fun.
Thank you so much for watching this longer episode. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and share with friends learning English.
Don't forget to download our free PDF worksheet with all the verbs. Link is in the description.
Keep practicing every day. You are doing great. See you in the next video.
Bye everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Bye, Mia. Bye, friends.